Hello guys, today I just received my SUCULENTAS systematic insecticide and I'm excited to use this. This product SUCULENTAS is the system for it is system root uptake. It means that the plant will absorb this insecticide and it works from inside out. So if the insects will bite the plants, your cactus and succulents, they will die. Or if the insects touches it, they will die. This product is not toxic to humans and animals, so this is a little bit pricey compared to the other insecticide, but the safety is there for you and your family. As you can see, I am adding this under the plant or near the roots, because we will water them later so that the plants can absorb this through the roots. So it's important to put this near the roots. This product came from Thailand, but actually this is a product from Japan. This is a Japan technology. That's why it has Thailand text on it. This insecticide is highly soluble in water and is easily absorbed by your plants. This also kills both ways. First is through ingestion. So when the insects eat it or they will bite your plants, then they will die. Sometimes the insects dies after several days because they will not be able to eat again. They lost their appetite. That's how this insecticide works. It says here that you can use this after 3 months again. So if during summer you can use this product after 3 months, your plants are protected during the 3 months. But sometimes during rainy season, where there's plenty of pests and insects flying around, it's their breeding time, I use it monthly. Once a month I put this insecticide so my plants are protected. All of these plants I was able to finish for about 40 minutes. So now I'm gonna water all the plants so this insecticide will melt and will be absorbed by the plants through the root system.